Alright everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. And to all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. And to all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of this video, guys. That's where the money's at. That's where I talk about the stocks that are looking like weakness or looking like an opportunity moving forward. And I share with you guys the ticker symbols we mentioned in the morning. We hit 2 home runs this morning, 40% plus on the day, guys. Stay tuned on in for all that information. And if it's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to. The link to the Discord is down below, and we look forward to having you join us. Now, I just want to give a quick shout out to this investor. I don't want to, put anyone on the spot or step on anyone's toes, but it was very kind of them, and they seem to be a Patreon member as well as a subscriber and frequent viewer, stating, as always, invest for tomorrow. Your content is educational, and love how you invest your time to help anyone willing to learn. For anyone who is thinking about joining a community, 42's Patreon is economical and worth every bit of the small cost of joining. Anyway, thought I'd send out a shout out. So shout out to you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your time and going out of your way to show this recognition and appreciate my time and efforts. But that is very true. Anyone willing to learn, I will invest my time into you guys. I do that one video at a time here on the YouTube. I do that one post at a time over at the Patreon, and one message and comment at a time in the Discord, guys. And I will continue to, and I hope everyone is learning one video at a time, one step at a time. And anyone that's interested in becoming part of the community to learn and grow together with us all, we're 100+ members, you're more than welcome to. So thank you so much for those kind words. So Ocgn is actually pulling back right now, right? The 50-day moving average is falling, and also the stock is falling, about to cross it as we speak. So we have some important things to look at. The first thing is the 50-day moving average, 855. We're currently slightly below it. If we pull further away from it, we're going into bearish territory, and the first support is right here at 835, and the next one's down here at 802. I'd watch those points very, very carefully and closely to see what's going on, if the bulls try to reappear or if the bears are tearing this down fairly fast. Now, our resistance is up here at 892. That needs to be broken through and turn into a support by the bulls so that this can reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and pull further away from the 50-day moving average to go ahead and maintain leverage, maintain this momentum from these lows. But something I've stated before, Ocugen needs news. We know that already. Phase 3 trials are out, which seems to be pretty positive. But the biggest thing right now is emergency use approval with the FDA. Actually start distributing Ocugen's Covaxin vaccine with, obviously, Borat company from India here in the US market. And then things can start to roll out. But one of my biggest worries, I've stated it before because a whole entire article came out about it, that 1 billion is the net profit they're going to obtain from Covaxin sales. And I feel like the closer this is to 2 billion, the more that is priced in. And also, the more this stays below $10, the more it's showing weakness because it needs to stay above it. That's where the offering happened, number one. And number two, that's where it would be above 2 billion. And if another billion comes in, it can actually jump up to newer highs, new resistance levels. And I've discussed this endlessly in every single video, but it's so important that anything below $10 right now is pure weakness, and we need to watch this carefully at these levels, these support levels and resistance levels. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. All I'm asking for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. Let's talk about the ticker symbols we hit home runs with this morning over at the Discord, and the ticker symbol you won't want to miss and you want to add to your watch list moving forward. It's being attacked right now by Hindenburg Research, making it pull down. Earnings report was not as great as expected, but the opportunity lies in the weakness. It's about time to start watching it, doing your research, and knowing what is going on moving forward based off the technical indicators on the charts. The symbol I have for you guys today is one you won't want to miss. We've already made 10 to 30% swing trading this one before, catching it on weakness, and today it has weakness again, and we won't want to miss this. This is definitely one you want to start watching and keeping on your radar. But before we talk about that, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned today over at the Discord. And if this is something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description. We're 130 plus members already, all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses, guys. And that's something you can become part of too. So let's talk about this. While the stock market is falling, we're always looking for opportunities and trying to stay in the green, or looking for opportunities to make some money while the rest of the market is looking pretty turbulent, right? So ARPO, we started watching it early at 129. CALA, we saw it pretty early and needed more volume, and this was our weakest opportunity of the day, gave us about 3 to 5%. And then we saw SNMP at 107. So let's talk about the home runs of the day, ARPO and SNMP. So let's look at these charts, and you can see here, ARPO, we saw it at 129, ran up about 10%, came back down, and hit a high here of 187, giving a 30 to 40% opportunity on the day, guys. Spectacular run while the stock market is falling. Now, another one here was SNMP. We caught it at 107, pulling back, and within just minutes from the market opening, it gave us a 20% jump, pulled back again, and gave us a 40% opportunity within that full run. Enough room to make that 5 to 10% I look for on a regular day, 10 to 20% on a great day, and anything beyond 20% is a home run. Enough room to meet any of those expectations with this run, guys. Now, the ticker symbol I want to share with you guys is one that I've mentioned before. Like I stated, it's being attacked by Hindenburg, and earnings was not as strong as expected. And here we are with Clover Health, guys. Big fall. It started moving upwards. It's been pulling back since 792, and it hit a low here of 660. This is something to watch closely. And the last low that this hit, which is actually something I'm watching, is down here at 629, 630, guys. If that gets broken through, this could go towards the $5 range, the 580s, the 590s, and then we need to rewatch and see what's going on. But right now, Clove stock is a stock I'm watching within its weakness for a possible reversal or short squeeze in the near future. That's what I'm looking for. And if neither of those happen, this is an opportunity long term, because the company is in the process of growing. They actually have contracts with Medicaid and Medicare, giving it opportunity to get exposure in that market and grow over time. But this is a speculative stock. Do your research, do your due diligence. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on the opportunities I see daily, as well as a stock to add to your watch list, either because the charts are showing opportunity or because of the fact that right now this is in a position where it could go lower, or it's at a weakness of a possible reversal. So start doing your due diligence now, doing your research, start watching it, because this may present itself to be an opportunity. If not, I'm looking at this long term, but I started watching it this week. This earnings report was going to be a big deal, and now with this Hindenburg information is making it pull back even quicker than anticipated. We'll have to see if this is the floor or if it can go any further. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.